Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my spring September lookbook. The weather, like I said, is in spring. It's slowly changing. We've had a lot of wind, we've had really hot days and some cooler days, so really it's all over the place, but please enjoy my September looks and I'll be back for October. Bye.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is